Build your dream home here in Williamston, Michigan. Super rare find. Nice high and dry land with lots of hardwoods and rolling contour. Breathtaking location. First time on the market. Property is minutes from downtown Williamston, Okemos, Mason, and close to expressways. Video tour of the proposed parcel is available. Use your own builder. No building restrictions. Lot split is subject to approval by Wheatfield Twp from a larger parent parcel and will hopefully allow for one additional split, but sold as one at 600 by 1815. Taxes will be estimated based on prorated share of total acreage of parent parcel.